Yeah, Molweni Emakhaya, Gabula Mlebona Nqaba, the producer, director, and actor of Ushuka Mama. Yeah.
Malam ndikusiyabulela but ke ngaziwa nguSkelemu storyteller. The executive producer pha kuShuka Mama. Ndisebenzisana noLeah as ke ndizingene ke ne-sessions zababhali. Ndenye kanye ndenza le DOP, director of photography. So ndendincedisa ke pha to make sure that the picture angle nento ne-light yabo. Yeah, so umsebenzi wami pha kuShuka Mama kulowo. Yeah, I feel relieved
I feel good that the season is over, but sad at the same time because meaning now Squads Peter engage and everyone's it. Yeah, but just happy that we managed to finish it.
Because we save a kalok by siyasebenza. Into xa seyivakale ngathi yasebenza kumandi man. Bekumnandi xa singathi asisebenzi yabo. Ngathi siyazi creative. So ngoba ivakala ba yo we pushing, we need to chase deadlines and we committed about every Monday, Wednesday and Friday as in the when we did that. So we learned to chase target sometimes yo yavakala singena lokuyanetha imini zethu zibahande man. Yeah. So I'm happy with the break. Now I'm excited to pass the season.
Yeah, it's frustrating, but what I love is that it's an understanding for you. Yeah, but understand and them understand. So, because but one thing I know about him, you know, if you a grand, it's just that if you expect it tomorrow. That's the only thing. Otherwise, I'm happy and I love the relationship of understanding, you know, the brotherhood. Yeah, was push on is Strebisani, Leah in the till, Daskis in the till, you know, and I think that's what brought us blend up Sesukuyo to fair level Sesuku Netisano Bambisan.
I also was only different man, because the characters are funny, but somehow the understanding like say Itanakon was Leah Sistami, always doesn't say and then the opposite yakhe thanda relax, take it in, creativity flow. So yena kana xesha lonke bo and I respect a lot because wenze into ba nami ndifunde bakho xesha lo relax too much lewe we need to machine lento senzayo yabo funeka sibone sohlohla lo machine and then yanke jonga usesiphi xa yo fit lo machine
it's your normal challenges, man. You know, when a band with debate, there will always be challenges, little challenges, big challenges. So we face this away, not like any other set or any other workplace. Yeah, but it depends on the challenges, which is late coming, don't misunderstanding of his industry. Yeah, because remember we are a group of people who don't really have experience when it comes to the set. So somewhere so you expect abantu benze mistakes as means when it comes to whatever that must be done with set. So yeah, those are the challenges that I can say we faced. Nothing hectic, you know, it's just said. Yeah, little challenges in general that can occur when you okay. Yeah, napina, yeah, boy. So yeah, tango.
I can't remember from the top but what I can say is a challenge in the lighting because sometimes it's natural light. Ilanga lakwazi ungena emafini vele bemnyama funeka silinde kanye liphume emafini sishoot sithi sashoota njalo liphinde lingene emafini yabo na into ke ilight yethu into iyafluctuate, sometimes ziba too bright, sometimes ziba too dark. Into esebenza kuyo leyo yabo and siyibonile ba i-quality camera zethu can do better if we can improve more on the lighting.
Funny moment behind the scene.
Yo, too much. Zininzi funny moments ezizikayo nangoku ayikho endizoyikhumula from the top, but kumnandi man yabo.
Well, let me see. I think with that Jack, man, moment is funny behind the scene because he's always okay. This is what is fun about that Jack. That Jack is someone who production assistant. Yeah, I ran up the set here to both telling us. So that Jack you don't find him kulondawo, you find him kwindawo which is directing, you're director, you're cutter, you do, I think that's what's fun about him, but yeah, as I said, we are a set esakhula abantu bakazazi kakuhle ezinye izinto. Yeah, for me that's what is fun about endicingayo ngekuseti wethu behind the scenes. Is that Jack?
Yeah, kule season I want to shout out to uJaya Qala. Yabo, uJaya ngomnye wabantu liye bekuthatha bentasha ba skizo wanna come in. No xa unika umuntu opportunity yokuyenza ezibukwayo. Yabo, so shout out to uJaya man. No Tatu Cheers. Yabo, time has been so patient in the way.
Definitely Cheers, man, because Cheers came in as hot manager, but this is a by time siyifaka nje kancinci. Siyifaka. Then until one day any actor couldn't shoot. I remember what happened here. This actor couldn't shoot, so we took as a storyline sala actor, we gave us a storyline to Chase, but such Chase was Lalabu Chase.
If you are able to podcast saying gonna be season nyani on set ingashoot, yabo. Ibe nyani ngekho script and now Google that it ofuna opportunity and you make sure you nail. And yeah, I'm so proud of thinking like you Chase nikela khula ngayo. So when I'm doing impress leyo, I think in a soft spot for Mfundisi, the character kaMfundisi embodile mntakwethu yabo. And baninzi ngaba uledo umeza ezigqirha ngoku. If nakhumbula ufike late kule season and ukudala elambela usebenza, so ufike nala energy umuntu oqalayo yabo. Thina kudala siqhuba yena nala energy oqala, so that's why ngibone excel kula character. I think funeka manje simfaka late qholi. Because ngathi uba nomdla. Yeah, I think ngabona abantu ba oh shit no Sim. When it comes to Sim ke uyila character ndingibona ehlala nakho ezinye eportray nakho ezinye indawo. Ndambona uShowmax, ndambona ku Netflix nakiMbewu. Bona za show ngazaziyo, but yeah, man, I think une potential kakhulu to expand character yakhe to go beyond le sense ka Sugar Mama. Yeah, no.
Yeah, most definitely season 5 years. There's no way we won't have a season 5. Yes. So here's a season 5. They should expect season 5. As we always do, man. We always take a break before second season. So we just did that now. With nothing hectic. We took a break. Season 5. So season 5, we here's to season 5, yo, expect a lot of. As we always do, because every season ngasiyenza sifuna season xa iqala ingafani nalesisuka kuyo. That's what we fight for every day. So I think you can expect a lot of not changes but a lot of improvement entweni ezininzi, a lot of new faces. So that's one of always introduce faces in that season because of the storyline, so surely there will be people who are born about, and there's this one character I'm excited about. I just can't reveal anything, but I'm so excited about this person and the character, like the storyline as well. Like, oh man, I can't say anything about it, but yeah, I'm so damn excited. But expect a lot of growth, man. I believe even technically,
yeah, man. The lighting will improve more. Lighting will get better lights, and the aim is to improve, is to get better on the production side. And I'm sure the writing team, Ulia and the other guys of Seven Nabo, storyline abasiphephe sinswemu. Yeah, sinswemu kakhulu. Liya mfethu ngane sithengisa manje. Bye bukele friend.
I appreciate the fact that you guys gave me a chance with my idea, Notaskis or Ebisinayo, and you guys listened to what we said about Sinayo and Suluyenza Nani. We appreciate that, and we believe there's more we're gonna achieve. In fact, so let's stick together and fight. Always remember, let's protect Lendis Tibanisle. Sisazana just Sugar Mama, and Sugar Mama must take us where we want to. Song, I believe song way. Let's achieve Elo Pupa song or Sugar Mama. So yeah, man, I love you, all of you foot.
First of all, to my colleagues, I want to say we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your dedication, showing up emsebenzini, because Lendoli Yamfit is ayiko sponsored. I'm saying out of our pockets. peanuts, but these people, dedication abanayo, they show up for the way. I think nabayibona vision is more than into zemali Louise. It's us doing what we love and appreciate. So I really appreciate you guys for showing up Chloe. Thank you kakhulu. And to the supporters, nani mani ngosini ngadinwa sithi yabo. Ndavuya kakhulu ngathi basinikele la room to improve leya. Abagxeki kakhulu yabo. I appreciate Lord to give us the room to improve. Sasibona mistakes zethu. We'll make sure we do better and better and better. So thank you guys for the way. And thank you ngiyani niyas protect nakabanye abantu abazange negativity yabo. And I feel you ba ninani nikle way. This is going to be the biggest project in the Eastern Cape, biggest project up in South Africa. It's just a matter of time.
We are nothing without you. Remember, to achieve all these things, as subscribers, as viewership, it's because of you. So if you guys are not here supporting this project, we won't be where we are not. And remember, this is a future for Abandona Bethu, brothers, sisters, cousins, Batandi acting. You'll never know. We're hoping and praying this is the production of Uncle Eastern Cape through just YouTube. That's the plan. So maybe Uncle will be here now doing what we are doing, and we want to expand and not do just a sugar mama. There's a lot of projects that we want to do. We'll never know. So let's support this thing. See thank you for doing that.
That is the spirit. Let's fucking kill it. Oh,